In a world once ruled by superstition, by fear, by ignorance, 5 men dared to question everything. They challenged kings, they challenged religion, they challenged the limits of human understanding. They were mocked, rejected, silenced. But history does not remember the comfortable, it remembers the courageous. Tonight we uncover 5 scientists who changed the world forever, because legends never die. Isaac Newton, England. A plague forces a young student to leave university. While the world hides in fear, he sits alone under a tree. An apple falls. Most people would see fruit. He saw a universal law, gravity. He asked a question no one dared to ask. Why does the apple fall down and not up? From that question came the laws of motion. From that curiosity came classical physics. He built the mathematical language of the universe. Centuries later, rockets, satellites, engineering, all stand on the shoulders of one man. Newton did not just study the world, he explained it. Galileo, Galilei, Italy. The church declares, the earth is the center of the universe. Galileo looks through a telescope and sees something different. Moons orbiting Jupiter, phases of Venus. Proof that earth is not the center, he speaks the truth. And for that, he is put on trial, threatened, silenced, placed under house arrest. But even from confinement, his ideas escaped. Science moved forward, truth survived. Galileo taught the world something powerful. Sometimes being right comes at a cost, but truth always outlives power. Albert Einstein, Germany. A quiet patent clerk, not a famous professor, not a celebrated genius, just a man with wild hair and dangerous ideas. What if time is not constant? What if space can bend? What if energy and matter are the same? With a few equations, Einstein shattered centuries of assumptions. He redefined gravity. He explained the behavior of light. He changed physics forever. His theories would later lead to nuclear energy, global positioning systems, modern cosmology. The universe was no longer fixed, it was flexible, and Einstein bent it. Nikola Tesla, a visionary, a dreamer. A man ahead of his time, Tesla imagined a world powered wirelessly. He developed alternating current, the system that lights homes today. But he was overshadowed, outfunded, forgotten. He died alone, nearly penniless. Yet today, his name powers innovation. Electricity flows because of him. History did not reward him immediately. But legends are not measured by wealth, they are measured by impact. And Tesla's impact still lights the planet. Stephen Hawking. At a young age, doctors gave him only a short time to live. His body weakened, his muscles failed, but his mind unstoppable. Hawking explored black holes, time travel theories, the origin of the universe, confined to a wheelchair, speaking through a machine. Yet intellectually, he traveled across galaxies. He proved something extraordinary. Your physical limits do not define your mental power. The universe listened to a man who could barely speak. That is strength. 5 men, 5 different centuries, one common trait. They refused to accept the world as it was. They questioned, they calculated, they imagined. And because they dared to think differently, we fly in airplanes, we use electricity, we explore space. Science is not just equations. It is rebellion against ignorance. It is courage in the face of doubt and legends. Legends never die.